we will code this product card, so we can select color, we can have a button to buy now. Let's start coding. If you need e-commerce development services, check my portfolio and contact below. So this outside background is just one div. So this is this div, ignore everything else. This is the div that you just need for the background. And then this is the component that we will create. Other components are for different tutorials. So let's just create this component. We're gonna code it from scratch. You can find this code in the GitHub below, but make sure to find this exact component in the components folder. Other components are for different tutorials. Let's start, use client. Let's do some imports. So you're gonna need card and button and slider from ShadCN. Google ShadCN UI installation. Click NextJS. Copy this one to command prompt. Press enter to everything default, and then go here to button, and then copy this command, install it, and then do the same for card and slider. Just find them here on the side. Let's continue. Product, ID, name, brand. We're just gonna, so this is just coding frontend, so this is just gonna have, I'm gonna make some like placeholder product. So price, rating, reviews, image. You can download this image from my GitHub. Make sure to find this one in the public folder here. It's somewhere here. Description, features, list of arrays, or list of array of strings. Finishes, yeah. These should be called colors, I think. Okay, yeah, it's okay. Just continue. And warranty. Okay, now let's create a component. Selected finish. So this is like selected color. Flow rate. I just added this flow rate so user like can select flow rate, but maybe this is useless. So maybe I wouldn't put this in the real product. Return. I just added this to show you how to like add sliders and how to code a slider. So card, div. This is first half of the width. It's gonna have a div inside, and title. It's gonna be product brand. So let me immediately check this, what it looks like. So now we have just this product brand. Then we have product name and description. So let's see, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna leave more time for you to see the code. Okay, div below, div inside. This is h3, so we have finish. Now this should be color, so let's rename this to color later, I think. Products finishes map, and then button. So I'm gonna explain this. Let me just see first. So background color, it's gonna be this color, and then on click set selected finish. So if I save this is color selection. So this finish should be named color. So what this part of the code does is when I select this color, it puts a ring around it, or it doesn't if it's not selected. So selected color have ring around them, and not selected have zoom and hover. Okay, so make sure to put backticks here. This is not normal quotes, just backticks, because you need to be able to write this syntax. Okay, let's go down below everything. So we have like this closed, this div closed, and then another div. Flow rate, and then slider, maximum default value flow rate, step 1. We're gonna, on value change, this is the syntax for setting the value. So this will just give us a slider here to adjust the flow rate, but the only reason I have this slider is to show you how to put a slider here, but probably wouldn't put this on this tab product. Div, and then gentle, powerful. We have these two. So okay, so below that I made this div, but let's first see what this gentle and powerful. Yeah, so gentle, powerful. This is this adjusting. Okay, let's now create this div below. This is towards the end. Image, product image, and class name and stuff. So if I save this, we have this product. You probably wouldn't put a logo here, or you would remove this logo, but I was making these tutorials, a bunch of them, so don't want to waste time removing the logo. Okay, then we want to make a div below. This is going to be absolute. Another div, and another div inside. This is product price, so let me see. The reason they are absolute is because we're going to put this stuff over this product image. And then below that, we're going to have another div, and this is sparkles icon, and this is reviews, like this. And I think now go below everything and put a button. So this button, you have these 3 divs after it, so that's how you know where it is. A bunch of these, like transitions and stuff, experience luxury, and then arrow right icon. You see what it does. It has this kind of transition. Let me zoom a little bit. Let's continue. So div at the bottom, key features, div. Let's map features, make a div and give key index. If index is 1 or the first element, then we're gonna put this. This is icon. If index is 2, we're gonna have different icon. We're gonna have different icons for each one. This may not be like, this is one way to do it. And then we're just gonna type in the feature. So each feature will have different icon. Yeah, I hard coded it a little bit here, but it's okay. Let me zoom out. Okay, and then product warranty at the end, and that's it. We finished. So this is the product warranty. Thank you for watching. And if you need e-commerce development services, check my portfolio and contact below. See you in the next video.